What's going on, everybody? Well, I've been having some camera issues, and I filmed the intro to all this, but I don't know what happened to it. I've been having problems with the GoPro, so we'll just start from here, I guess. We did some work. Let me turn you around so you can see that. So we did the sheathing on this wall here. We put the two windows in. We did the sheathing on this wall, and we haven't done it over here because it's supposed to rain. And but we did get the two windows roughed in. There's my accent window, and there's my pooper window. So we've been busy, and I'll take you out back here so you can see the progress out here. The progress, one of those. Let me turn you around. So we got that up there, got the house wrap on there, and you'll see in the time lapse I was on the struggle bus with all of it. It was tough doing it by yourself.
Right now it's all falling apart. Right now you don't know where to start. Right now the walls are caving in. Right now you don't know where to begin. Right now you're searching high and low. And right now you don't know where to go. Right now you hear the thunder roar. Right now it feels like you lost the war. Call on me, I'll hold you when you cry. Call on me, I'll get you through to the other side. Call on me, I'll help you ease your pain. And if you only knew that I'm right here for you, call on me. I'll get you through to the other side. Call on me.
There's that. Come out pretty good though. It like I said, it was definitely hard with one person. Also, I'm gonna have some flashing, like a drip edge at the bottom here that goes along the bottom. I just haven't put that in there yet. I do have some people coming out. Depending on the rain, we'll have them come out and get all this graded correctly, put the French drains in. That way I don't have to worry about it anymore. But other than that, we've just been, I've just been working on the house. I think we're gonna do the roof next. Just that way the major things are done and out of the way. The roof needs some help. You can see the bird box up there. It's not doing too well. Gotta replace some of the soffit board on this side over here. It's a hot mess on this side, up there on that part. I just can't see it that well. Come closer. But yeah, it's got some rot up there that I'll have to take care of. Don't seem like it's too hard to fix though. But yeah, other than that, we've just been working like crazy, like always. Don't know what I'm gonna do with all that dirt. Figure something out. It's coming along. The ball's definitely rolling. Oh, look at Misty's got her little seed starts in there. She's got herself a green thumb. But yeah, that's about it. We have dumpster 397 fixing to leave. Still have this side here. I got it taped up so it doesn't get rained on. Got the old fire going so it burns all the scrap wood. Here's the drip edge that I'm gonna put on the side of the house there. It's gonna go on kind of like so. That way any water that comes on it will come away from the OSB plywood and drip off. Yep. Yeah, here's the old tractor. It's still doing really good. Well guys, thanks for tuning in, and be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you next time.